It is Saturday. I have a lot of cleaning to do this weekend. This cleaning is overdue, so I'm needing to do a lot of laundry. I need to clean this bedroom. You see the trash behind me, but I need to clean the bathroom. Not going to be doing a lot of projects this week. We're definitely just going to have a very relaxing, chill video. Definitely going to get started because it's kind of late. Woke up late this morning, but we gotta get stuff done. Okay, bye.
Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends. No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. No, no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now, yeah, yeah.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be.
I wanted to jump in here and just thank everyone for joining this journey with me and also just subscribing to my channel and consistently coming to watch all my content. This continued support really helps me out. I just wanted to also just throw in there that I've surpassed 60 subscribers, which I'm really happy about. So I'm working on reaching those milestones and definitely encouraging you guys to bring me up to the hundreds. So definitely like, subscribe, and turn on that notification, as well as share my content with your friends and family who love content like this and all things home decor and just lifestyle content in general. So I'll let you get back to watching the rest of the video.
And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and them over there. They looking over here. They giving me a stare like I care. Like I care. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. 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 Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried, yeah, to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can't take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pen down in a melody.
A lot of time has passed these few days. I ended up doing a lot of cleaning, and then life happens as usual, and there are a couple of things that I still need to do. I had a wedding that I had to go to this weekend, so there's just a lot going on, which is why this video is not really focusing on any projects this week or anything like that. I just didn't have the time or the energy. Definitely appreciate you guys tuning in to this very short clean with me video, and next week I will be probably focusing on some items that, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, things that I've been putting off, and there are a couple of hacks that I actually want to show you guys. But thank you for tuning in this week, and I will see you on Sunday. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.
Real life, talking about that real life, holding on 'cause it just feels nice. But let's get back to real life.